So today we're going to be planting my Christmas potatoes. These can be started off outside while it's still warm at this time of year, and then put inside in the polytunnel or a greenhouse. They need to be kept in there to keep them warm and to grow. So we can have them outside for the time being while it's still nice and warm in the UK. Warmish, should I say, but it is warm at the moment. So yeah, let's get on with planting them. So I've got 3 of these bags to plant them in, because you can't be planting them in the ground with it being colder at the end of the year. So we've got 3 of these bags, potato bags. We've got 2 boxes of potatoes. These ones are Charlotte. I've got some potato fertiliser to help them grow to go in the compost. So that's this. And obviously I've got my compost as well. You can actually use previous compost from other stuff, I've read up, but I'm using fresh compost to give it all the nutrients it needs. So that's what I'm doing. So let's get pottering them up. All these things you can purchase from my online shop, which is links to Amazon, so that you can find the perfect things straight off without having to search for them. I'll drop the link in the below in the comments so that you can actually go ahead and get some yourself if you want to try it yourself. So yeah, let's get planted. So I've put a layer of compost on the bottom, so the next job is to put some potatoes in it. So we just get us potatoes and pop them in. I think I'm going to try 4 in each one. Just like that. So now we've done that, we need to put our compost in. So I've covered it, I've filled it about halfway now. So what I'm going to do is put some potato fertiliser on top of that. Just sprinkling some in. Then I'm going to mix it in, just like that. Then I'm going to fill it up again to the top. So I've now filled that up to the top, and what I'm going to do is just sprinkle some more in. Like that. Then you can mix it into the top, and then all is left is to water. Now to do my other 2. Again, I've put 4 in each one. Now to fill them halfway and put some potato fertiliser on. So I filled them halfway. Sprinkle some fertiliser on. Mix that in. Into the soil, then fill it all the way up to the top, and then put some more on top. So that's now filled up to the top, so we just sprinkle some more fertiliser, mix it in, then all we've got to do is water it, and we'll leave them outside for a month or so, and then bring them inside and wait for them to grow for Christmas. So that is all 3 done. So that's how I plant my Christmas potatoes, and we'll see how they get on in December when I pick them and see how many I've actually got. So yeah, if you want to join in and plant your Christmas potatoes, the link is below for the shop so that you can get your own potato bags, fertiliser and potatoes. They come pretty fast, so you've still got plenty of time to get them in. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and keep gardening.